spirituality. It's a term that's often used but rarely fully understood. People talk about being spiritual but not religious, about finding their true selves or connecting to a higher power. But what actually is spirituality? Is it a practice, a belief, or something deeper?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to No Wars, where we explore deep questions about humanity, history, and beyond. Today, we're diving into the concept of spirituality, something that has fascinated humans across cultures for thousands of years.
At its core, spirituality is about connection to something greater than oneself. For some, that greater is a divine being, a cosmic force, or simply the universe itself. For others, it's a connection to nature, to other people, or even to their own inner wisdom.
Unlike religion, which often has a structured belief system, rituals, and institutions, spirituality is more personal. It's a subjective experience of seeking meaning, purpose, and often a sense of peace or transcendence.
The roots of spirituality can be traced back to the dawn of human civilization. From ancient Egypt to the Vedic traditions of India, people have sought ways to understand their place in the cosmos and their purpose in life. Early shamans, priests, and sages acted as mediators between the physical and the spiritual realms, guiding their communities toward deeper understanding. Major spiritual leaders, Buddha, Laozi, Jesus, and many others, didn't just offer religious teachings. They offered paths to spiritual awakening, helping individuals transcend worldly concerns and connect to something eternal.
So, how is spirituality different from religion? Well, while religion often gives a collective framework for spirituality through scriptures, rituals, and communities, spirituality is more about personal growth and experience. Many people today identify as spiritual but not religious, choosing to seek inner peace without adhering to specific religious doctrines.
Spirituality allows for flexibility, whether it's through meditation, mindfulness, prayer, or simply quiet reflection. The practices vary widely. The goal remains the same: transcendence, self-awareness, and a connection to something larger than the self.
In our fast-paced modern world, spirituality has taken on new forms. Mindfulness, meditation apps, retreats, and even scientific studies on consciousness are all part of this growing movement. People are searching for balance, mental clarity, and meaning in a world that can often feel chaotic.
Ultimately, spirituality is a deeply personal journey. It's about asking the big questions: who am I? Why am I here? What is my purpose? And seeking answers that resonate with your own experience.
Whether you find spirituality in a traditional religion, in nature, in mindfulness, or simply in the quiet moments of your day, the key is personal exploration. It's about finding what brings you inner peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to the world around you. Thanks for watching this episode of No Wars. Remember, spirituality is an individual path, but one we all walk in our own ways. What does spirituality mean to you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into history, philosophy, and the human experience. Until next time, stay curious.